A biofilm is a thin layer of microbial slime and proteins adhering to a surface. A biofilm forms when bacterial cells adhere to a surface and produce a matrix of extracellular polymeric substances, EPS, a sticky type of glue-like material. The bacteria remain embedded within the EPS, which protects them. Biofilms can be found everywhere in the environment. They are present on teeth as dental plaque, in water supplies, air conditioning units, food processing, and many surfaces within healthcare. Inside biofilms, bacteria can communicate, live, feed, and grow. Bacteria are typically 200 times harder to kill with antibiotics or disinfectants inside a biofilm. And whilst they're alive, they remain a threat to patients. The bacteria will continue to grow until the biofilm is disturbed or free bacteria are released, transferring onto other surfaces via hands, gloves, cleaning cloths, or other materials. Whiteley Corporation is a world leader in combating biofilms and removing infectious organisms from within our hospitals and other clinical settings. Their novel and highly effective systems and products can assist with removal of biofilms and kill the harmful bacteria and other microorganisms.